This delicious recipe is made with a new keto ramen by Immi. Compare Immi to a popular ramen brand carefully. Immi noodles only has 3 net carbs because the flavor packet will not be used. It also has 22 grams of protein. This brand has 52 net carbs for 1 package and only 4 grams of protein. Add noodles to 4 cups of boiling water. Check out the coupon code below if you're interested in purchasing some Immi. While the noodles are cooking, prep the zucchini and garlic. The Pampered Chef garlic slicer is one of my favorite kitchen tools. It saves time and fingertips. Look in the description if you're interested in getting one for yourself. Carefully wash the garlic and remove it promptly when it turns light golden brown. You want the zucchini to be a dark golden brown. That's where the flavor is. A little bit of red pepper flakes really amps up the flavor. Turn off the heat and make sure that all the pasta is coated in the garlic oil. This is a delicious and filling 15-minute dinner. If you're vegan, you can just leave off the parmesan.